out for the very last match of the day. All three red robots are going over to the reef to score coral. Blue robots are going over to the reef to score coral as well, with Castle and 4485 butted right up against it to score when the match begins. 35-59, getting that points for moving right as the buzzer goes. 4272 primed to get a coral from the coral station, while 4485 pulls a coral into their robot, into their feeder. Castle Robotics going over to the coral station, while 3559 zooms over to the red side to play some defense. 7198 grabbing an algae for their teammates to make it easier for them to score, while 4272 has a neat little handoff and goes into the barge. 4485 also attempting to score into the barge. We have 40 on the red side to 13 on the blue side. It's still anybody's game at 1 minute and 40 seconds. Team 4272 rising up with their tall elevator to score in the red side of the barge. Castle Robotics moving around their field while their teammate grabs an algae off of the reef and pulls it into the robot. Plucking the algae off of the reef makes it easier for their other teammates to score. 9453 with their low robot scoring on L1 with that coral position sideways to be able to roll into that trough. 7198 going for L3 while their teammates score on L4. 3559 continuing to play defense on that side. We have exactly 1 minute left with red at 65 points and blue at 21 points. We have 9453 continuing to score consistently on that L1. Consistency is key in this game. It means accuracy, it means points. 4272 scoring on L4, while 4485 goes over to their reef and raises their elevator up to try and score on, well, they are grabbing an algae first for a more efficient handoff and then scoring on L3, while 6498 attempts to grab an algae off of the reef to help out their teammates. 3559 playing some rough defense over there. 4272 crossing over the field because we are at 20 seconds and they are about to climb on the deep cage. 3559 going over, getting those park points underneath the barge. 6498, 4485 also seeming to make their way over to the barge zone, just like 9453 on the other side. 4272 is off the ground right at 0 seconds. We have 98 to 35. Let's see how the climbs play into this. We have Mavericks, Fearsome Gear, and Mount Vernon Wildcats all getting those 5 rank points for the Alliance. 7198, 9453 moving up in rank. Maverick holding steady at that 4th spot with 110 points. Congratulations.